Now we can create a product rule. Okay, madam. Simple. Tell me, madam, what is the first step you have to do now? What's the type, madam? Yes. Is it correct? Toner quantity should be more
Yes.
than printer quantity.
Yes.
Active.
The type is filter, right, sir? No?
No, no.
Okay, validation.
Validation, right, madam?
Okay.
Conditions, I'll go with all. Scope, I'll go with the product. I will go 30. Always. Same. Toner quantity should be more than printer quantity. Okay. First part is done. Go to the related list. Condition. What is the condition we have to use, madam? So we are using product option object only. So we no need to use all the fields here. So if you want, so we have something called here variables. These fields, okay, summary variables. Here you can choose the summary variable name. What is the variable name, madam? Condition. Here my printer quantity, for printer quantity more than. Here we have to use variable. Previously we were using value, hardcode value. Now what we are using now? Variable. Your printer quantity is more than which variable? Here we have to use a variable, filter variable. This correct condition is correct now? If printer quantity is more than toner quantity, what you should show?
Error.
Error. Action is required for validation rules?
No. No.
Scope query is not required. Now just create a configuration rule. Because we are using product option object. Product option is nothing but where? That is nothing but a bundle product. Yes or no?
Yes.
Product option is nothing but what? Bundle product only, that is. So we should set the bundle. That's it. Now we can test this error, it is working or not. Go to the code object. So now create go to the existing code. Select edit lines. Add products. Active professional plan. Select. Sorry, printer. What is the other one? Toner. Okay. And that's it. Here choose at least one. So now which quantity is more now? Printer or toner?
Printer.
What will happen if I click save now?
Error message.
Toner quantity should be more than printer quantity. Now I'll make it this quantity equals to 20. Already in the product option object. What is the error message this means, man?
Min max. The max is set at 5, so we have to change that.
In which where I have set that one? In the bundle product.
Yes.
Go to related list. Go to the options. Which option?
Toner.
Toner. So you can remove that one max. Okay. Just ignore it. You can set maximum, whatever you want. Because
save.
Now click on save. Right, Mina? So like this. Then what is the alert now? For example, same rule, I'll make it a alert. I'm giving only one condition here. Okay, but you can give one more condition also here. Okay, so example where product option code equals to printer. So then whenever I'm setting printer, then only I want to work this rule, right? Or otherwise it should not work. Then that condition also you can put here. For example, yeah, I'll make it we'll see now. Just I want to change the validation equals to type equals to alert. Click a save. Now just refresh this page. That looks. Printer quantity is 10 I'm giving. Toner I'm giving, actually not something to. Okay. We'll see what will happen now. Apply rules. Your rule is applying now or not applying now? If I click save, toner quantity should be more than printer quantity. Right, madam? Have selected toner here. Have selected toner here.
No.
Then
No,
still this error is coming. Right, madam? So
yes.
because of this, so what you have to do, you have to put more conditions here. What is the one conditions you have to give is here. Not only this condition, madam. You should add a like a product option, product code equals to whenever it's selected, then only want to get that rule. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Then otherwise, even if you're not selecting or getting rule, there is something wrong, right? You can choose that
Sir,
option.
you selected value, it's not variables. You shouldn't select variable over there.
No, already variable conditions I have done, but that variable this is one first condition, madam. But this rule will work. 3 conditions I want to check. When this rule will work, I should select a printer. I should select toner. If both are selected and one quantity is more than other, then I want to show the error message. Correct? But if you see here, I've selected with even I'm not selecting toner, you are getting error message. When you should
Yes.
get this alert and the violation? If you select both toner and printer, both you selected, then only you should get error message. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then where you put that condition? You have added any condition here, like I have said, whenever printer is selected and toner is selected and printer is quantity is more than toner, like that you have to put 3 conditions. How many conditions you added here? Only one condition, right, madam? There is
Yes.
no condition like checking like you are selecting printer or not, toner or not. That if you put that one also, your rule will be perfect. Otherwise, for even for norm, if you are not selecting also, your rule is working now. Even though I'm not selecting toner also, your rule is working. Why? I'm not giving any condition there. My rule will work only for toner and printer selected like that. I am not giving any condition. You given any condition like this? No. Correct, madam?
No.
So that's
Yes.
why you should give 3 conditions. What is the 3 conditions? Whenever I'm selecting printer and whenever I'm selecting toner and whenever my printer quantity is more than toner, then I want to get an error message. Yes or no? Otherwise, I don't want. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So that's what. So here I will give a first condition is whenever I'm selecting toner. This is one. Okay, madam. First condition, 3 conditions. Other one is what, madam? Product option code equals to value. Other condition? Printer. So whenever I'm selecting now, now tell me how many conditions we have here, madam? What are the 3 conditions we have? Anyone? What are the 3 conditions we have now here?
Yes.
What are the 3 conditions we have?
Greater than And then, one each for printer and toner when we choose that.
Whenever I'm setting printer and toner and third condition
When
is what?
the
Printer
when the
quantity
number
or
of
Variable.
toner is greater than laser.
These three conditions is this is and or are. In the rule, I'm giving
And.
condition equal to all. All means what?
And
all conditions should be true. If I'll give here any, what will happen?
even if one of them is like it's R basically.
Yeah, anyone is true, your rule will work, right? Just I'll go with all. So if you are using custom, then you should go for the index here. Okay, for each condition. Okay, there is one more field called index field is there in the background. Okay, that field we can use it here. If you want to use advanced condition, there is something called index. That one you have to use index number in the advanced condition. This is index. You have to give the index value like a 1, 2, 3 like that. You can use this index 1 and 2 or 3 like this. This field you should add in the product rule if you want to use the advanced condition. If you want to use advanced condition in this index field, we should give the value. You can give 1 and 2, 3, or you can give 10 and 20, 23, whatever it may be. You should give something like a value here 1, 2, 3, something like this. Then whenever you are giving index here, that index number you can use in your advanced condition. For each one, you can give separate index. For this one, you can give a 3 conditions are there. For 3 conditions, you should give the 3 different index numbers. Okay. For this one, we can give an index number equal to 1, index 2, index 3, index 10, 20, 33. Whatever it may be, you can give number. That number where you should give if you want to use advanced condition. Custom, here you can give an index number 10 and 20 or 30 like this you can give. That is the use of index field that we can use only whenever selecting a condition equals to custom. Understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
Okay. That is not there in the layout. You can add that field in the layout also if it is required. Understand, madam? In the page layout, that is there anywhere a field is there? You can see index field is there anywhere? Confused? No.
No.
No. You can add it in the page layout and you can add it if you want to use advanced condition in case. Okay. Okay. I know I don't want any advanced condition. Just I'm showing that field. It is very important in case if you want to go for advanced condition. Now it is alert. Okay. Now we can check our. I'll go with add products. Professional tab. Click select. Printer. One is required. I'll take a toner. Okay. For example, I'll not set toner. We'll see rule is working or not working. Too few options set at printing. How many we set here? Maximum.
Minimum of 2.
Now rule is working now. Click a save. We'll see rule is working or not working. Your rule is not working now. Why it is not working now? We are selected printer now. What is the condition now? Printer and toner and quantity. 3 conditions. There is anywhere you set a toner here now?
No.
Then how your rule will work? What are the conditions you have, madam, now in the product rule? What are the 3 conditions you have now? Tell me. One is you should select a printer. You should select a toner. And then you are, this is the third condition. This condition is setting only printer. This is false. Then how it will work? Correct? If your rule should work, then what you have to do now? You should select a printer and toner. Then your rule will work. Understand, everyone?
Right. Yes.
Printer 10, toner is 2. Then why our rule is not working now? Selected printer, toner, quantity. Right, man? Both selected. And apply rules. Why our rule is not working now? Toner quantity more than printer quantity. Condition all, type is equal to alert. Okay, then always product the list. Product option product code equals to toner package. And the other one is product option product code equals to laser printer. Both is matching. And third condition also matching. Then why should not work? All. 3 products are selected, then it should work, right, madam? We'll try with the one new code. We'll see. Refresh. Edit lines. Select it. Select printer and toner. Should one not required. Save it. It's not working. Something is breaking. So options. I'll make it down. I'll make it 2 conditions. I'll select only printer and toner. We'll see what will happen. I'm setting toner and this variable both. Refresh the page. I am selecting now toner also. Save. It is working. Why if I'm setting both it is not working? Selecting one also it is working. Chalo. Okay, ma'am. So now I have selected the condition equals to whenever I'm setting toner and this, both it is working. Okay. I'll close it and uncheck this one. Save. Now it is not working. So previous that one condition is working. When I'm setting toner and checking quantity is working. Okay. So I'm adding more conditions, it is not working. Printer and toner. When I'm setting printer, it is working. Even if I'm not set toner, we'll see what will happen. Click save. Now also it will not work. Okay. So when I'm setting printer and quantity, now it is working. Even I'm not using that condition. Printer and toner both. Because now it is also working. Yeah. So it is working, but why it is not working? Even if I'm in third condition, I'm not sure. that should work. But if it will, I'm thinking maybe all will check only 1 and 2. If you have more conditions, we should take a custom condition.
Custom.
I think I'll check maybe that one. I'm thinking that is the option. So this is called validation and alert rules. Okay, like this you can go for summary variables in a Salesforce CPQ. Okay, and that is this.